All right, good morning, everybody. First red day today in over 3 months. Had to go back and look at my TraderSync to see when the last red day was, and it was over 3 months ago. So we're gonna break it down into today's video. Let's go this trade. Okay, so today's trade was watching here on coin out of the opening gates. Made a pretty nice pop on the first candle, pulled back, and then it starts making a really nice move here up off of 60. So it's up about a point and a half here. I'm looking for up through 61.50. There it gets up through 61.50. I go ahead and get in short there at 61.52 with 100 shares here, thinking that this has a pretty good chance of a pullback. But if it wants to keep going, be looking for a move up through 62 is where I will be looking for the ad. So in here at 61.52 short with 100 shares, looking for up through 62 if it's going to give me the chance for an ad here on coin. I was a little bit wondering how the market was going to be today over after, we had the long holiday weekend and we had some news on debt ceiling and all that stuff. So I was like, well, we'll see what kind of happens, especially out of the opening gate here. But anyway, there's up through 62. Go ahead and get the ad in up through 62 there. So now I have 200 shares short here on coin at an average of 61.80. So in 200 shares short, got my first two entries. Now my plan on the next spot would be if we get up through 62.50, I would then be looking for another 200 shares. So essentially doubling my position if it were to make a move up through 62.50. But on this move, I want it to be on this nice intense move that it's making. It stalls out for a while, whatever, then change the game plans. But right now, if it pushed up through 62.50 real quick, we'd be looking for another 200 shares. But you can see it starts coming back down. So it actually gets down below my entries or below my average here. But I was looking for it to get down through 61.60 before I started thinking about taking any shares off. If it got through 61.60, I was going to go ahead and take that first 100 shares off just to, kind of take those out basically around break even-ish, and then I still have 100 shares left if it wanted to make the nice move back down towards 61 or below. So that was kind of what I was thinking here. And then you see it kind of hits down into the 61.60s and then just really starts holding on there. Pops back up to 62, comes back down into the 62.70s, 62.60s, and it's just not breaking down through those 61.60s, unfortunately, that I'm looking for. And I really had no reason to take any shares off before it got down back through 61.60 here. So I was just trying to stick to the game plan here. But, after you sit through a bit of this and it's now holding up, it's now going sideways, and it's not making the move I'm looking for. It's no longer in that intense move that it made originally. I had to start thinking about putting a stop in as well. In this case, it's just going to be up through the highs. Pretty easy stop here to place on this one. So I put it there at the highs, give it a couple cents extra just in case, and put my stop in case it comes up. And, a few minutes later, it is going to come up here, and it's going to go ahead and break through the highs and stop me out right there for a $123 loss here on coin. And happy I stopped out because this one actually went much higher before eventually coming all the way back down towards the 60s, but that eventually was like an hour later. So no way I would have survived through the move that it did make after this. So out there with the loss in coin for the first one in 3 months. Did get two more small trades in on the day. Didn't edit them in because they were so small and pointless. So didn't feel the need to make you guys sit through them, but got like 20 bucks back. So ending the day down 102 after all three of those trades. So that's it for me today. Like I said, my first red day in over 3 months. I have had red trades along the way, but they never ended up resulting in a red day. But today looks like that's where I'm going to be. I'm not really anticipating getting any more trades in this afternoon. I'm about to go to the gym, dealing with some other stuff anyway. So really probably even shouldn't have been around trading today. But, yeah, when you're a trader, and you have the opportunity to trade, you're going to take it pretty much every time. So I enjoy you guys stopping by and watching today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.